Hello and welcome to Picking Principles. Today we have an extra top security Davidson padlock. You've seen me open, it's tight. There we go. There's a lot of flop on this shackle when it's opened, and you can see that it doesn't even really line up very well. So you kind of have to wiggle it in to the shackle hole. So it's not the best built lock. Before, when I was trying to open it, my pick tip was rotating. I think I was probably using too much tension. However, it was loose, so I tightened it up. Oh, I gotta rotate those clockwise, so I'm picking in one direction. And I also took a file to this and some sandpaper and smoothed it out as well. So let's insert that, pick up just the first disc. That feels about right. And start moving disc 2. Okay, that feels like it might be a zero cut. That felt like a little click there. Make sure I don't go too far. I want to pick up the next disc. Nice little click there. Nice little click there. I'm at the bottom. So I want to try and find a zero disc. That feels like it's zeroed. I don't know if it's in there. Well, let me test it. Okay, I don't know if that's a zero cut or not. I couldn't feel anything. But everything else kind of nice little click. Let me see if I can... Nope, no such luck. I thought maybe I had it already. Try the next one. Well, these things do not want to rotate back clockwise once you've moved them. There we go. And we got it open. Woo! Okay, so not a lot of good feeling in there. They're really gritty a lot of the time, and it's tough to turn even with the key. But I'm pretty happy to have gotten it open. A little tiny modification. I'm going to take some measurements and see if I can straighten that up a little bit and make it even better. But yeah, super excited. Got another disc detainer lock open. Well, thank you for watching, everybody. If you like what you've seen, please hit like and subscribe. If you have any comments or suggestions on how I should modify that or anything else as far as picking and trying to feel those, there we go, feel those gritty gates a little bit better, please let me know. I do appreciate comments and suggestions, but mostly I appreciate your viewership. So thank you very much, and have a great day.